In like one of my daily scrolls through the New York Times, I came across this competition. I guess the rest is history. Hi everyone, my name is Abel John. I go to Clements High School in Sugar Land, Texas. The title of my essay is Call Her the Cat.
Hi, Eddie Shu. This piece is entitled How Pragmatism is Poisoning the Democratic Will of America's Youth.
My name is Ananya Udaygiri. I go to Shadow Creek High School. I am the author of How Animal Crossing Will Save Gen Z.
I'm always been interested in politics and current events, but sometimes I see that my friends or my peers don't necessarily have that same background, and they find it harder to enter into the discussion. And I just think that there's not a lot of opportunities for students to do that, and this was really unique.
So my strategy starting was to get words on the paper. And I got a lot of words on the paper, and they were bad words, but it gives you something to start off with.
I do debate. As part of that, we have to write cases, right? Those are, a way that you present your argument to the audience. And it follows a basic structure of establishing the problem, warranting out the problem, right? Why it's bad, and then providing a solution to it. So throughout the editorial, I kind of followed the same structure.
I actually started off with so many drafts where I filled it with convoluted analogies and really pretentious wording. And to me, I whenever I write something, I think of it as my baby. And I'm like, wow, this is so clever. And I showed it to my friend and they're like, I have no idea what you're talking about. The message is being lost. So I had to go through it multiple times and just check that the clarity was there, that I was saying what I needed to be said. And that was a really hard process to me, and just shaving off things that were unnecessary and reshaping it so that it genuinely was supposed to be accessible. The whole process forced me to concretize all these rants and run-on sentences I had in my head into a succinct piece of writing.
I think in the future, I'll absolutely keep writing in mind because it's a great way to convey what you think to everybody else and to just raise awareness about important things in our society.
I was so convinced that I was a bad writer before this contest. And now moving into this, just having that validation, I do feel more confident to explore writing careers. I'm thinking about careers in English, careers in journalism. And so it's really opened those pathways to me that I thought were closed off.
This whole process has been so amazing for me, and it's been one of the best opportunities of my life. And it's just been such an honor to work with the New York Times.